Good morning, children. Today we discuss about the new poem Chivi. It means hunt or tell someone repeatedly to do something. So usually your parents insist you to do something. They continuously said to do something. So that is called as Chivi. So now we go on to poem. Ask yourself as well as your partner, do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? Do grown ups do this in your experience? When Michael was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, what does your mother call you at home? Child. Michael, don't come, the confident reply. So, the poem is written by Michael Rosen. So here the poet first tells his own experience when he went to with his mother to school for admission. The teacher asked him to, what does your mother call you at home? Child. So usually the teacher asked the question, then Michael don't answer correctly. Why? What happened to him? So see next. So read the poem now. Grown ups say things like, speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. Sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interpret. No one thanks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? Michael Rosen. So here, children, you know that you also experienced it. So in your childhood age. So always your parents tell to do something. They are not expecting your actions as their own like you. So they always urge to do child to listen their words and follow to them. So the parents wants to always their child is listen to their words only, not to perform any action or any thoughts, any speak in their freedom. So we know about how the parents are screaming to child to listen what they say. So in the first stanza, you know that when you are grown up, your parents always told you like, speak up, sometimes don't talk too much. So sometimes they said don't look like, then sometimes they said don't put your nose in every topic. So these type they are insist the child to do something or they want to quiet the child. So in the next stanza, sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door, so don't drag. So in the second stanza, the poet tells us about the teacher saying to child always like sit down, so don't make noise. So usually these two words are well saying by the teacher. And then next, close the door, close the windows, don't drag your feet. So usually teacher saw you when you drag your feet on the corridor, so they usually said it. Next, then they say you are not bring your kerchief. Hanky means kerchief. Next, pack your hands from your pockets. So usually they said back your hands from your pocket. So like these in a school also the child get not feel freedom. So in the school also they are insisted by the teachers. Usually it is for small children. So next, in the third stanza, again the parents insist the child to do this has wears your socks properly, stand up, sit straight. Next, say thanks to everyone. So when you went to hotel. So usually when you went to hotel, you put your hands on the table. So on that time your parents insist you to take back your hands from the table. So okay, so these usually the parents would not let to make the child to take their own decision. The parents wants to only they teach the good lesson for the children, so they do not give any freedom to their children for to take their own freedom, their own thoughts, to express their own thoughts, express their own action, do their own actions. So these type the parents were insist the child to do something. So this poem was written by Michael Rosen. Thank you, children. You have to write this poem once in your homework book. Thank you.